Are you tired of sweating through your outdoor activities? In this review, I'm testing the electric solar fan digging holes hat, a game-changing accessory that combines sun protection with active cooling. This hat features 2 built-in solar panels and a USB charging port, so you never have to worry about battery life. The 7-blade fan is surprisingly quiet and offers 3 speed settings, letting you adjust airflow based on your activity. Whether you're digging in the garden, fishing by the river, or hiking on a hot trail, this hat delivers powerful, consistent cooling. The bucket-style brim provides UPF 50+ sun protection, keeping harmful rays off your face and neck. The material is lightweight, breathable, and sweat-wicking, ensuring all-day comfort even in high humidity. One standout feature is the replaceable fan inside the hat. If the fan ever wears out, you can easily install a new one, extending the hat's lifespan significantly. The fan system is integrated seamlessly, so the hat doesn't look bulky or awkward. It's also waterproof, making it perfect for rainy days or splashes during fishing. Simply wipe it down after use. In winter, you can use the hat as a windproof cap by turning off the fan. The adjustable headband fits all head sizes comfortably. I've tested it during a full day of gardening, and the battery lasted over 8 hours on medium speed. Solar charging works well in direct sunlight, but USB charging is faster when needed. Overall, this is a versatile, durable, and highly functional hat for anyone who spends time outdoors. It's an excellent investment for summer heat or year-round outdoor work. If you want to stay cool, protected, and comfortable, this solar fan hat is a smart choice.